Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is Nigerian fried beans, some fried plantain and tilapia fish. I can assure you this dish is going to be so delicious. If you're interested, which I know you will, keep watching. I'm gonna start by making sure there are no unwanted items in the beans, such as some shards or rocks. So that's what you see me doing here. And thereafter, to prevent bloating and tummy upset, I had some boiling water into the bowl, leave it to rest for about 30 minutes before I drain it out, wash the beans, and then transfer into the pressure cooker with 2 cups of water, some already diced onions, and some salt. Let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes, then you check to see if it's ready. For the sauce, I'll be using the following ingredients: onion, tomato, scotch bonnet, bell pepper, and 1 sweet pointed pepper. I'm going to blend this roughly because I don't want it to be smooth. This gives the beans a special definition. You will see what I mean at the end. Oh, in case you are wondering what I'm doing here, I'm just adding some lemon to the water and the fish, just to reduce the fishy smell. Moving on to the beans, as we can see, our beans is ready. It's perfectly cooked. To start the sauce, we're gonna pour some quantity of oil, and then the diced onions, 1 cube of knorr Maggi, and the pepper mix, and let it fry for a few minutes. It is very important that you stir your sauce regularly so it doesn't get burned. And thereafter, it's time to introduce the beans. You let the beans marry the sauce. Make sure it's mixed properly and leave it for 5 minutes. And voila! Back to the fish. Now we're gonna mix the spices together. Here we got some aromats, everyday seasoning. We got some black pepper, paprika, garlic granules, ginger powder, and some extra hot chili. We're gonna mix this all together. As you can see at this point, I'm just trying to create some incisions into the fish so that the marinades can infuse into the fish when I rub it all over it. will next put the fish into the air fryer for 20 minutes and then check if it's cooked. Moving on to the plantain. Slice your plantains into your desired shape and then add some oil in the pan and start frying. Make sure you flip it over regularly just to make sure it's cooked thoroughly. Well, what can I say? As we can see, our delicacy is ready. It is so delicious. I tell you what, I couldn't stop eating this. I hope you like this recipe. I would like you to try it and let me know what you think about it. So I'll be waiting to see your comments in the comment section. So thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.